Look at that. What an epic machine. All right guys, it's finally time. I get to take out my FiFiSH V6. If you guys did not see the unboxing video, check up here in the information bubble or check down below in the video description box where you can see me unbox this and go over the details. Looks a lot like Jacques Cousteau's dive saucer, hey? 6 different propulsion jets though. I don't think Jacques had that on his. This one is a wired setup. Yes, you can lift it in and out of the water by the tether itself, but it is a communication wire as well. It is talking to this basically ROV through a 7-pin port on the back. So there is my spool for the communication wire. And you can see right here, I got a few ripples here, just a light breeze, nothing too bad. Nice and shallow right here so you can see the sand. But as you go out, it just drops off and gets disgustingly dark. No one has ever gone to the depths in here. No one's ever done any diving in here. So to have an unmanned operating or unmanned remote operated vehicle down there, this will be a first for sure. So look at, this is the area I lost my drone in. I'm guessing it's like this quarter, and of course you guys just can't get the size of this pond, but it is actually quite large, so I got a lot of work to do. So now I'll start the app. Connected. There, that's underwater now. Wow, it's murky. At least I have some lights I can turn on. Okay, so let's try a little test here. I'm just going to unlock it. That's not what it's supposed to do. Okay, hold on. I just unlocked it. Or yeah. So I'm rolling it back and then forward. So that's okay. That was just my first time starting it up. Just going to give it some of this cable. Look at the murkiness of it. So up, that's forward. This will take some getting used to. It's okay, I'm just doubling back on myself here. Kind of like flying an airplane, I've noticed. Right away, like an RC airplane, same kind of idea. Here, I'll turn the lights on so you can see. Those are nice and bright, hey? Hopefully that makes a difference when I go looking. Reminds me of that movie Batteries Not Included, for those that are super old like me. I love that it can roll. You can roll all the way around and you can pitch up, backwards and forwards. That's amazing. And it's nice and fast. Okay, come back here. There we go. Okay, so I say it's time to get my dive on. See if I can see anything down there at all. Okay, first thing I gotta say is, man oh man, is this pond murky. You guys can see visibility is almost at a 0. I'm having to guess where I'm at down there. I'm not getting a lot of help from the, oh, there's the bottom. There it is. Like any RC, piloting this is going to be a little bit weird. I got to get off the bottom so I don't stir up any of the sediment. On the other hand, I have to land on the bottom, so here I am at the top. There, just having a look. So I'm right in front of me. So I'm diving down. I'm just diving down slow and I'm turning on all my lights. Kind of gives me a bit of a glare though. Still going down. Most boring video for you guys ever. I can't see a thing down here. This is a good test. Oh, there's the bottom. Man, that is clear image. But I am way too close. There we go. Okay. So I'm right near the shore, that's why we can see everything. But those propellers, the thrusters, they sure kind of give you a bit of an issue with sight. But this is where the drone would be. I'm gonna have to figure out how to see down here properly. Wow, cool. What is that? Whoa. I'm trying to pilot, guys. Oh, my lack of experience here is showing big time. Coming up to the top. Wow, I was down there really far. There I am. Okay. Wow, cool. I never thought I'd be able to see down here at all. This is insane. And the fact that I can push through some of these weeds is really incredible. Wow. Maybe I can see if there's any fish in here at all. So where am I? I'm over there right now, if you guys can check it out. That's definitely in the area that I would have lost it. But being 4 years ago, it's going to be awfully hard to find. But seeing some of these green seaweeds or lake weeds or pond weeds or whatever, that's encouraging because at least we can see. What's that? Wow. It looks large, hey? I wonder if I'm near the shore. Yeah, it's pretty shallow here. In fact, there I am. Hello. So yeah, I gotta turn around and get out of here. I can't tell you the depth right now for some reason. I guess, again, it's just a limitation in the app. But this is absolutely lunacy that I can see under here. It's really great. Boring for you guys maybe, but exciting for me. How many of you are actually still watching the video even though I'm not really finding anything? Let me, oh, no, that's not it. Let me know in the comments section. I thought I found it. It was this seaweed very close. This FPV is just insane. Really cool. Now they just need to invent a grabber on the front, but I certainly think that would inhibit the way it swims. Okay, so right on the bottom. I have no idea. I guess I should figure out. That's west. So it's helpful to have the compass right on the screen with me so I can tell which way's which. But it is a challenge to learn how to drive this thing. Here, phantom, 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 phantom. Kind of figuring out the propulsion system. It's pretty darn easy once you figure out the X, Y, and Z access points, as nerdy as that sounds. It's very much like flying an airplane with ailerons. Wow, cool. Even if I found out where it was, there's no way I could really kind of tell unless I just tried to surface as close as I could to the top. But you know, I think it's the hunt that's more of an excitement for me, not that just the recovery of the drone that I have. A good way to get a suntan. When the drone went down, when my DJI Phantom Vision 2 went down and I lost signal, it basically flipped upside down and fell straight down. And being 4 years ago, and I was about, you know, back at the ranch, I had to guess where it fell down. I'm still having to guess today where it might even be, and that's without any of the water moving it around. So I don't know. I know it's there. It's just a matter of finding it. And I think this is the way I'll have to do it, methodically and slow. Which makes for boring videos, but for me, I actually get a chance at finding it. It just takes forever. But as soon as those weeds start to grow, it's going to be a challenge. That's why I wanted to get in here nice and early so I could see what was in the bottom. So that's where I was sitting. You can see the line gets strung out really far, all the way over here. Look at that, it keeps on going. That's how far away it is. Then comes all the way back, and here is the drone right here. I don't think there's been an issue with the drone at all. I think it's just been my driving has been incompetent and just learning how to get this thing moving around properly under the water. Hey little guy, welcome back. Come on. It goes so smoothly in the water, just like a sea creature. Good job, FiFiSH. That's why they call it treasure hunting, not treasure finding, unfortunately for us. There it is, guys, the FiFiSH broadcast FPV up the cable to me. That was actually fantastic. Let me get it out of the water here, and I'll give you a little bit of an overview of what I think. Alright guys, there you go, up close and personal look at the QYSEA FiFiSH V6 underwater camera drone. I had a good time piloting under there. I didn't really expect to find the drone today, but it kind of opens up a path for me to keep coming outside and enjoying the sun. And yeah, as long as I was moving forward, right, in a forward motion, I didn't find the silt on the bottom of the pond bothered me that much. And for quite a heavy unit, it really maneuvers like it's a fish in the water. It's really smooth the way it moves around, pitches and rolls and yaws back and forth. It really is exceptional. I didn't find that the VR goggles really fit my head too well. I hope the company that makes this looks at kind of upgrading the whole unit for the goggles kit, because it did let quite a bit of light in and I had a hard time focusing. I found that I was, doing this a lot with my dominant eye so I could see properly instead of just kind of enjoying what I was seeing. So fighting that a little bit. But other than that, guys, it was an absolute blast to get this out, spin this all around and maneuver in a pond that nobody has done that yet in. So I'm gonna pack up, charge up the battery, go back, and possibly come back to the pond another day, of course, to do another adventure. Let me know if you think I should do that in the comment section down below. And please, if you're watching this part of the video right now and you love my videos, click that notification bell down below. Be aware of when my videos come out, because it does help the channel. It helps all of us have a great RC adventure here, and we will see you in the next episode. Now get outside and have fun with RC. You know I always do. Bye for now.